Okay, today we're going to do domain and range. As you remember, your domain values, your domain is your x values, and your range is your y values. On a graph, you need to read your axis. This is your x-axis that runs horizontal side to side. This is your y-axis, which runs vertical up and down. If we're looking at the domain, we're looking at x values. Okay, if we have an open point, that denotes the starting or ending point and is not included. If it's a closed point, that denotes starting or ending point and it is included. Okay, so for our domain, we'll be looking at our x-axis from right to left. Generally, you want to write the smallest value first. So we're looking at our x values. This is our graph. This gray line is the graph that we're doing the domain and range for. Our smallest value on this graph is here, and it's a closed point. So that means this value is -5. So we're going to write -5 here. Because we're doing domain, we're going to put an x in the middle. And then our greatest value, as we move to the right, our greatest value is here. This is also a closed point. And that value is +5. So we write that here. Now we're evaluating the -5. It's a closed point. When we have a closed point, that's going to make that less than or equal to. So we write that here. And when we're looking at +5, that's also a closed point. So this is going to be your less than or equal to also. The second problem, number 6, doing a domain and range again on the graph. Your domain is your x values. Your range is your y values. On your x-axis, your smallest value on this graph is here, which is denoted as -1. Your largest value going to the right is here. That value is +1. Because this is domain, you put an x in the middle. This point is closed, so we say this is less than or equal to. And this point for +1 here is also closed, so this is less than or equal to. Back to problem 3, we're going to do the range. Your range is up and down. It's your y value. This is your y-axis. Smallest value on this graph is -3. So we're going to write -3 here. And we're reading this way. This is the smallest point here. The largest point is up here, +2, right here. So we write, we're doing range, so it's going to be y. Again, at -3, this is a closed point. Your closed point is the starting and ending point, and it's included. We say less than or equal to. And the greatest value is +2. It's also a closed point. We say less than or equal to. The range for number 6. Again, we're going to be reading the y-axis. The smallest value is down here. It touches the line here at -2. So we're going to write -2 first. Your largest value is at +3. So we're going to write +3 here. This is range, so we put a y in the middle. And at -2, we treat that as a closed point. It touches the line, so we treat it as a closed point. That's going to be less than or equal to. And at +3, both of these are closed points, so we're going to say less than or equal to. That's domain and range from a graph. Thank you.